Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and we're here on set day of this beautiful Cape home. The total square footage of the home is about 1,750, and this has been built as 5 sections. So you have 3 on the first floor, 2 main, and then that mudroom space over there. And then you have the 2 more upstairs as well, creating 5 modules for this home. And you can see behind me, they're currently setting the roof structure for above the upstairs modules, and that they're craning into place as we speak. And then they'll deck it and sheathe it and the rest of it. The metal roof is going to be going on here, and in the next couple days, the roofer will come out and put a standing seam metal roof on this house. But this is a really awesome build, and was completely custom. The owner actually drew their own plans for this. We worked together with the owner to draw through the plans and work through that. They came up with an initial concept, and then we did some back and forth through the design process to come up with a full-on design of what we used for the home. But I just wanted to show you this build because I thought it was a really neat one to be able to see some unique things that you can do with your build through modular means. So here you can see, I'll show you again here, you can see there's the 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5 up top there. And you actually have a built-in little porch here as well. They're picking up and craning. You can see they're lowering the crane, lowering the chains down to these sections of the roof framing here to be able to pick up into places. You can see they have the back section on there, and they got some more coming up here in just a minute here. So this house set will be 2 days to finish the set of this house, and then the owner will come through with different contractors and stuff to finish things up. Like I mentioned, the roof being the next thing. You got some backfilling and some regrading being done right now on the site, and so a lot of action happening here on the set.